Parties announced for the record for the state.
Andrew Harrison.
Defense.
Vestig Sahanovich from Ms. Garcia.
And are you Ms. Garcia?
Yes.
Counsel, have you received all of the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have it, Your Honor.
Let's roll, nerds, is our cue, because Judge Boyd is about to roll up her sleeves and verbally body slam this case. Quick legal heads up. Diamond just plead no contest, which is not an admission of guilt, but it is a green light for the judge to treat her exactly as guilty. Translation: she's handing the court the ammo and hoping it doesn't get aimed at her. Spoiler alert: Judge Boyd is already locking and loading.
You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 1 gram to 4 grams. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not, that there be a TAP evaluation and 120 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Be contained in Exhibit 1 and attachments, Your Honor.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the document entitled Waiving Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney?
Yes,
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? You need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states Exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Do you wish to proceed with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
All right.
Notice the mic drop moment. The judge just accepted all the state's evidence without a single live witness. That's the power of a stipulation. Diamond waived her right to cross-examine anyone. Imagine letting the prosecution tell their story totally unchallenged. Would you ever let your opponent write your report card? Drop a speech balloon if you think that was strategy. Or surrender.
Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
How many?
2.
What are their ages?
7 and 2.
And who are they with?
The first one with my ex-mother-in-law and the second one with the dad.
All right. Child Protective Services involved in your life?
Yes, ma'am. The case just closed.
Case has been open?
No, it's been closed already.
All right. Did you terminate your parental rights to your children?
No, ma'am.
Then what was the outcome?
It's just like I'm just sharing custody for a little bit until I get out with my mother-in-law.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. 4 years deferred adjudication, $1,500 fine. That will be probated. When's the last time you had employment? When is the last time you've been employed?
2 years ago.
Employment check. Last job, 2 years ago. Kids, ages 7 and 2. Math time. 0 income plus toddlers plus meth in a coin purse equals CPS Christmas card. The judge isn't just roasting her. She's building the paper trail that will decide future custody. Moral. Family court and criminal court share the same hallway and the same axe.
All right. So how are you supporting your children?
I wasn't working, but I was gonna give me a job.
So then that means you were not supporting your children.
My mother-in-law was helping me.
So that means you were not supporting your children. Somebody else was.
Yeah.
All right. And so these people that you say you don't know them, they were in a vehicle with you. So you're just in a vehicle with people you don't know?
Yeah, right at home.
So complete strangers just gave you a ride home.
Yes, ma'am.
And you got in a car with complete strangers.
No, I mean, I knew them, and I didn't know them like that.
What do you mean you don't know them like that?
I know them from, like, how you call it? I know them, but there wasn't my friends.
All right. Why did you have drugs on you? How often are you using?
I don't use.
The purple purse scene is basically a legal piñata. Every layer Judge Boyd cracks open dumps more incriminating candy. 3 baggies inside a coin purse inside mom's handbag equals classic, constructive possession. In Texas, if it's in your purse, it's in your control, unless Martians planted it. Audience poll. What's the weakest excuse you've ever heard for those aren't my drugs?
I was in CPS. I
No,
was getting drug tests.
no. According to this, S1, that's you, was holding, and inside of the purple purse was a small black coin pouch. So there's a purple purse, that is yours. And inside that purple purse was a coin pouch. And inside that coin pouch was 3 small white spirits. So,
Sentence breakdown just dropped. 4 years deferred adjudication, 120 sober meetings in 120 days, random UAs, no roommates under 18. Translation: probation on steroids. If she slips once, the judge can instantly convict and send her to prison for the full 2 to 10. Think of it as a tightrope over a shark tank. And the rope is on fire.
let's be clear. And let's,
Okay.
so, you're saying that these are random
A
people.
lot of persons with me that day.
Yep. You're saying that these are random people that you got in a vehicle with, right? You sort of know them, but you don't know them.
Yes, ma'am.
And that purple purse is yours. And inside that purple purse, okay. All right, there's going to be a TAP evaluation in custody. There should be no unsupervised contact with minors. She's not allowed to reside with minors.
Closing lecture
With
is pure
minors?
Judge Boyd cinema. Your kids are
She's not
separated
allowed
because you
to
don't have your act
reside
together. She's not just scolding.
with minors.
She's putting Diamond on notice that future
There should be
visitation
regular
is at the
random
court's mercy.
UAs.
In legalese, this is called preparing the record. And it's why appellate courts almost never
Regular
overturn her.
reporting
If Diamond messes up again.
by
This
Zoom
speech
or
replays
in
a
person.
determination of rights hearing.
120 sober
Left.
meetings and 100. There should be regular random UAs. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. 120 sober meetings in 120 days. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. So here's the thing. You have been going through life, having children, not supporting them. And you've been getting into cars, according to you, with random people or people that you sort of know. And because of your actions, your children are now separated. That's on you. One is with the mother-in-law, one is with somebody else. You need to get with the father of your child. They're still separated. And they're separated because you don't have your act together. So you don't know what's going on with your children. You know why? Because you are not in their life clean and sober. You are, if you're in their life, this case was closed, or they decided to close it. But what I'm telling you, if you don't get your life in order, you're not going to be having contact with your children, because I'm not going to allow it. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.